Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to sell the product or sneakers or apparels on your GOAT app. Now if you want to sell the items on GOAT app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now if you are looking to sell the items on GOAT, you can list the products and sell your products on this platform. Now to list and sell the products, make sure that you have created the GOAT account. So if you have not, you may simply create the GOAT account first, and you need to open the GOAT app and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may log into your account. So ensure that the item you are trying to sell is authentic and is in good condition. So if you are trying to sell a bad product, then it won't approve and you won't be able to sell it. And for sneakers, they should be ideally onward or gently worn, and they should be with the original box and the tags if you are trying to sell them. Now to sell it, you need to click on the option of profile at the very bottom right, and next to it you will see the option of sell. So click on it, and here you need to complete the given below. Like you need to fill up the personal info, and you need to fill up the return address, and you need to fill up the seller details address, and by including all of it you need to include the sneakers name, model, brand, size. Or if you are trying to sell the apparels, then you need to include the brand, the size for it, and you need to enter a certain amount for the price you want to sell it for. And by doing all of it, you will be needing to upload the clear photos of the product which you are trying to sell from your GOAT app. So after doing all of it, you need to complete the listing and wait for the approval of the GOAT. So that's it. That's how you can sell the products on GOAT app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.